do you want to make your voice from this to this? But before that, if this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. Now let's begin. Now first of all guys, here we need to change some settings. So just go to audio setup right here, then you will see the option for host. We have to select this on MME and again click on audio setup, and this time we have to select the recording device. Whatever mic you have connected to your PC, just select that. So I have this blue yeti mic, so I'm just gonna select that. Now let me record a short clip so that I can show you which are the best settings to make your voiceover more better. So this is the clip where I'm gonna apply the effects. So first of all guys, as you can see, there is a 5-second mute where I have not spoken anything, so you have to do this as well. We have to just record 5 seconds empty, and then we just have to select this part, go to effect, and in the repair section we have to click on noise reduction. So first of all we just need to give them a noise profile, so just click on get noise profile. Now hit Ctrl A to select this whole clip and go to effect again, and we again have to go to noise reduction, and here are some settings which you can change, but I personally use it on by default, so I'll just hit here OK. And yeah, there you go. As you can see, the noise is removed from our clip, so I can just delete this empty area. Now just hit Ctrl A to select the whole clip. Again we are going to click on effect, and in the volume and compression section we are going to click on compressor. If you want to change anything you can just do that, but I'm just going with the default, so I'll just apply here. Again go to effect, and this time we are going to apply limiter effect on this audio clip. Just I'm here hitting apply. Okay, so we have applied the limiter. Now it's time to add here bass and treble to this clip. For that we again going to click on effect, and in the effect tab you will see the option for EQ and filters, and in that we are going to click on filter curve EQ. So just click on preset and settings. In the factory preset you will find the option for bass boost. Just click there and hit on apply. Now we are going to add here treble, so for that we again have to go to the filter curve EQ. This time we are going to set the preset as treble boost, and here we have to make this bar a little bit down, like you can just set it on +6 dB and just hit on apply. So our clip is now looking good than before, so we are going to apply here a normalize effect so that the clip will get normalized. For that we can just click on effect, and in the volume and compression section you will find the option for normalize. Just click there and hit on apply. If you want to change anything you can just do that, but personally I use this on default, so I'll just apply here. After applying the normalize effect, the clip is still looking pretty loud, so we can again go to effect, and here we will add the limiter effect one more time. So now clip is looking good, and it's time to check our results. Hi guys, welcome to LearnLite Express. In this video I'll show you the base settings for voiceover. Hi guys, welcome to LearnLite Express. In this video I'll show you the base settings for voiceover. So yeah guys, that's it. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.